Good morning, students. Last time we saw regarding exponents and powers, in which we solved exercise 2.1, but that exercise was not completed. We solved only first three main. Today we will see the fourth main, which is called as evaluate. Evaluate means to find the value of. What is the first sum evaluate? Let us see. 8 to the power of minus 1 into 5 to the power of 3 whole divided by 2 to the power of minus 4. 8 we know can be expressed in exponent as 2 to the power of 3. So in place of 8 I will write, and it is minus 1, so it will become minus 3. So 2 to the power 8 is 2. So what shall I do? I will write it down as 2 to the power of minus 3 into 5 to the power of 3 divided by 2 to the power of minus 4. Okay. Now, this minus 3 and minus 4 look here. So, you can using a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to m minus n. This law I am going to use. So, 2 to the power of minus 3 by 2 to the power of minus 4 is equal to 2 to the power of minus 4 minus of minus 4. That is equal to 2 to the power of minus 3 plus 4. That is equal to 2 to the power of 1. So this much we call it as 2 to the power of 1. Further what shall we do? Now we call it as is equal to 2 to the power of 1 into 5 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 1 means only 2 ones are 2. So 2. 5 to the power of 3 means what? 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. So into 125. Multiply. 2 5s are 10. Carry 1. 2 2s are 4. And 1 5. 2 1s are 2. So that is your answer. So got it up? So what we did? 8 we converted in the powers of 2. So we can convert it because we can express 8 in the form of exponent. Second example, what is given? Let us see. 5 to the power of minus 1 into 2 to the power of minus 1 bracket into 6 to the power of minus 1. Using a to the power of minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power of n. So we can write down all this in this form. So 1 by 5 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 6. Multiplication of fractions, what does it say? Numerator to numerator multiply, denominator to denominator multiply. So 1 into 1 divided by 5 into 2 in the bracket 1 by 6. This will be equal to 1 1s are 1, 5 2s are 10 into 1 by 6. So how much will get? 1 by 60. That is your answer. Very easy it is. So can you know how to do it? That is your fourth main what you have done. Now we will go to the fifth main. Very important. Find the value of m. Let's find the value of m. What is given? 5 to the power of m into 5 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power of 5. Here we can also using on LHS a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So what will become? 5 to the power of m into 5 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power of m plus in the bracket minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power of plus into minus is what? Minus. So you got it as m minus 3. Now we have 5 to the power of n minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power of 5. In indices or in exponents, rule is there. If bases are same, then exponents become same. Very important rule. Bases are same, then exponents will become equal. So, if bases are equal, then exponents will also become equal. That means, what shall I take now? So, I can take it as 5 to the power of n minus m minus 3 is equal to 5. I will take only the exponent. This is linear equation you already solved. Minus 3 if I take on the other side it will become plus 3. So m is equal to 8. That is the answer to find out the value of m. So came along to it. Now we will go to the next main, that is sixth main. Sixth main is also what it is, evaluate. So you have to find out the value. First example let us take in your sixth main. 1 by 3 whole to the power of minus 1 minus 1 by 4 whole to the power of minus 1. This is given. So what we have to do? We have to take the law. So using a to the power of minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power of n. So we have to take the reciprocal of this. So what is the reciprocal of 1 by? So 1 by whole to the power of minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3 is equal to 3. 1 by 4 whole to the power of minus 1 is equal to 1 by 4 is equal to 4. So what shall I write now? So what shall I get it as? 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. That is your answer. Then we will go to the next main, which is called as the seventh main. What is given in seventh main? 25 into t to the power of minus 2 divided by 5 to the power of minus 3 into 10 into t to the power of minus 8. 25 we know. I shall write 25 as what? 5 square. 10 I will split it up and write it as 2 into 5. So here I have taken 25, wrote in the powers, and then also I have written 2 into 5. So instead of 25 I write down 5 square into t to the power of minus 2 divided by 5 to the power of minus 3 into 2 into 5 into t to the power of minus 8. Look here, 5 to the power of minus 3, nothing is there, means what? 1 is there. I can use a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So, in denominator, using a to the power of m into a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So, what shall I get? 5 to the power of minus 3 into 5 to the power of 1 is equal to 5 to the power of minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 to the power of minus 2. So, now what shall I get further? Let me see. Now, in place of this, I shall write it down as 5 to the power of minus 2. So, 5 to the power of 2 divided by 5 to the power of minus 2 into t to the power of minus 2 into t to the power of minus 8 into nothing is there into 2. Now you see again I have to use for these two which law? Second law. So using a to the power of m divided by a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So 5 to the power of 2 divided by 5 to the power of minus 2 is equal to 5 to the power of 2. 5 to the power of 2 divided by 5 to the power of minus 2 is equal to 5 to the power of 2 minus of minus 2 is equal to 5 to the power of 4. How much is 5 to the power of 4? 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125, 125 5 is 625. So I got that. Next, t to the power of minus 2 divided by t to the power of minus 8. Then also I will use the same law. T to the power of minus 8 minus of minus 8 is equal to t to the power of is equal to, it is not minus 2, it is plus 2 now. So it is t to the power of 2 is equal to t to the power of 2 plus 8 is equal to t to the power of 10. Now final answer what I got, let us see. So I am going to write it down on this side. So these two I got it as what? I got it as 5 to the power of 4 is is equal to 625. So 625 into 10. T value what I got it as t to the power of 10 whole divided by 2. That is your answer. So came to know how to do it? Okay. Now we will go to the next topic, which is called as next one more sum is there in that exercise that we will do. T to the power of minus 5 into 10 to the power of minus 5 into 125 whole divided by 5 to the power of minus 7 into 2 to the power of minus 5 into 3 to the power of minus 5. 125, I can take it as 5 to the power of 3. Okay, why? Because 5 5s are 25. 10 to the power of minus 5. This law is there. Okay, 10 I can write it as 2 into 5. So 2 into 5 whole to the power of minus 5. I can write it as 2 to the power of minus 5 into 5 to the power of minus 5. So that I am going to use a into b whole to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m into b to the power of m. So 3 to the power of minus 5 as it is into 2 to the power of minus 5 I will write into 5 to the power of minus 5 I will write into 5 to the power of 3 divided by below 3 to the power of minus 5 into 2 to the power of minus 5 into 5 to the power of minus 7. Same terms what happens cancels. What is remaining? These two. So which law I will use? Using a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So what shall I get it as? 5 to the power of minus 5 divided by 5 to the power of minus 7 is equal to 5 to the power of minus 5 minus of minus 7 is equal to 5 to the power of minus 5 plus 7. This will be equal to 5 to the power of 2 is equal to 25. So I got it as 25. So this 2 I did into 5 to the power of 2 into 1 more is there 5 to the power of minus 5 divided by 5. 1 more is there into 5 to the power of 3. This I will get 5 to the power of 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 to the power of 5 is equal to 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 125 5s are 625. 625 into 5. 5 5s are 25. Carry 2. 5 11 12. Carry 1. 5 6 are 30 and 31. So that is your answer. So came to know how to do it. Okay. Now we will go to the next topic. Let us see what the topic is regarding very important it is. The small numbers can be expressed. Small numbers expressed in form of exponents. That is exponents in standard form. Very important. In which form? Standard form. What is meant by standard form? Let us take one example. 0.1 2 3 4 5. This is given. This is the smallest number. You have to write down in the form of standard form. Okay. How many zeros are after point? How many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means I can write it down. 5 divided by 1 2 3 4 5 6. This I can express in form of 5 divided by 10 to the power of 6. 10 to the power of 6 if I take up, it will become negative. 5 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So this is the standard form of 0.00005. So came to know what is standard form? This is called a standard form. Example, second example let us take. See, count the zeros. 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 7, 5. This I have write down in standard form. How should I write down in standard form? Let us see. Now, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many are there? It's how much power it will come? 10. So, 120 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I can write down 1275 divided by 10 to the power of 10. So I can write it down as equal to 1275 into 10 to the power of minus 10. But when such big numbers come, always keep in mind we have to write down these big numbers in one place of decimal. We have to keep point over here. 1.275 into 10 to the power of 3 zeros will become less. So minus 10 plus 3 is equal to 10 to the power of minus 7. So that is what it is called as the standard form. So came to know what is meant by standard form? This standard form is given. We can write it down in usual form also. So how to write down the standard form in usual form? So I will give you one example. 5.3 into 10 to the power of 7 is given. 5.38 into 10 to the power of 7. This I write down in decimal. 538 by 10 to the power of 300 into 10 to the power of 7. 100 I can write it down. 537 up 10 to the power of 2 into 10 to the power of 7. So I can use a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. So I am going to use a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So what should I get? 537 into 10 to the power of 7 minus 2 is equal to 538 into 10 to the power of 5. I told you always one place of decimal means 2 zeros I have to lessen it. So I got it as 5.38 into 10 to the power of 5 minus 2, that is equal to 5.38 into 10 to the power of 3. This is called as the usual form. So you came to know how to write down in usual form. Okay, so this is how you can write it down. Or further, if you want to write it, you can also write it in one other way. Also, you can write down this in usual form. What is that another way? Let us see. 538. So, what I will do? 538 into 10 to the power of 7 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So, what will happen over there that time? So, 7 minus 2. So 538 into 10 to the power of 5. So 538, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can write it down in this way also. So this is called as the usual form. So can you know how to write down in usual form? Okay, so I'll stop here. Exercise regarding 2.2 I will give you in the PDF. It is same way how to convert standard form into usual form and usual form into standard form. That I will teach you in what to call it as I will give you the PDF form, and this ends our lesson exponent. Next time we will meet. Thank you, children.